to record a little screencast here to fill you in on a little hack to find that M value that we were talking about right at the end of class. Some of you stuck back, some of you didn't. So let's say we want to solve for M. We want to find the median, remember, for the that probability distribution. Now, all right, so what I've always been a little wary of, but is available to you in Press to Test, is this numerical solve. I can't stand it. I hate it. But sometimes we're just going to have to use it, and this is one such example. Now, one of the reasons I don't like it is because it only gives you one solution. It gives you the minimum, the smallest of the multiple solutions. But Daniel Racina reminded me of a little hack to get around that. And so I'm going to show you that now. So let's say we want to solve, remember, for a integral that has, so from 0 to m, we want to find m such that, remember, our function was, what was it? It was 3 over 64. All right, I better open up a little fraction guy here. There we go. Having trouble already. So I want a fraction in here. Oh, it's because I'm not controlling it. There we go. So 3 over 64. Now that's 3 over 64x. Now we're going to open a bracket up here, and we got 4 minus x, and that's all squared, power of 2. So what do we want to do with this? We want to make this equal to a half, 0.5. And hold on a sec. I want to get the derivative first. Sorry, the integral first. So I want to go dx that. So that guy, that equals 0.5. Then I want to solve that for m. Now outside the brackets, I'm going to get this dinky little setup here where if you hit Control equals, opens up these inequalities, and this guy, this given that, right? No, we're not going to use that yet, but we're going to say, oh no, we do want to use it. So we want this solved given that, remember, m is between 0 and 4. So we want to restrict the solutions given that m is between 0, and I'm going to go back in there for the inequality. M, go back in again, between 0 and 4. I hit enter, and there's something wrong with it. So let's just have a look at this, between 0 and m. I wonder if it's something to do with little multiplication signs or something. Sometimes it wants those, doesn't it? Hit enter now, and there it is there. So that's the median. So just to repeat, nsolve is allowed in Press to Test. Straight solve, no. Nsolve, yes. So it will solve an equation for you. However, without this little given that at the back end of this, it's going to give me a negative solution, and it's the only one it'll give me, which is no use whatsoever. But if I know, in this case, I know that I want my m is between 0 and 4, so I want to solve this integral equal to 0.5 for m, given that m is between 0 and 4. Righto. So hopefully that helps with a question or two down the track. I'll close here, and I'll see you tomorrow.